I'm not trying to win.
You're hungry. You're hungry, dad.
The leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. Not the leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage. Alright.
The leverage, yeah. Yo, welcome back to Leverage Boss TV. You don't know, say your boy Eclips, aka Leverage Boss. And we do want a request. We see in our comment section, so when they say, yo, hot potty challenge. And maybe working on some of the other rest I want them. We want to comment and say which other challenge you want to see, you know, but we say hot potty. So right now, Clay, I got shell the beef, cheesy beef.
Cheese.
I have the chicken patty, them hot right now. We get them from Juici beef and now we put a little reheat on them so them well hot, you see me? So, like we say now, we're gonna start the challenge. You don't know, say first person to finish, because we have what, 8 patty in all, 4-4. So who can finish in our 8 minutes? We want the timer in a Clay. So we're gonna go to Bams and set up the timer for 8 minutes. Got to set it up, but yeah, we are set it up for 8 minutes and then we're gonna do that. Yeah, 8 minutes. So we are gonna start the timer and jump in it and see who can finish the hot potty challenge. You know a leverage. Oh, and before you know, remember for just even like the video. You see me? Like the video. So we are getting to it. So we're gonna start off the timer right now and then that. So right now, okay, what you have to say before? You have anything before you go in?
Not a thing.
Last time I said
man standing.
last time I say I got shell how much
Bun,
you know.
about 3 and even them 1.
and barely eat half one, you know, so how much you think you got this time? You have whole 4?
Probably like 2.
2
2 or 3.
in a 8 minute?
Yeah.
No,
Ain't hot, you know. I put a high expectation for myself and go up my lip. Let me come. So.
Alright. So alright, Leverage Nation, here we're going to start the timer right now and we are getting it. So here we are. See it now? 8 minutes start. So we are getting to it, yeah? That's a leverage.
Oh.
Make sure look at that. Okay, keep it on.
Let's see. Hot man. Let's see.
Juici beef bag though. Yeah, man. See steam? You know see steam. And a joke thing.
You shouldn't take 3 to climb me.
Alright.
Alright.
We have to do for the vlog when I'm off pocket time.
I bet my lip.
It's spicy too, you know.
What do you think? How much minute we have left? 6.
A whole heap of minute, man.
6 and a whole heap of 1 per patty. A 4 patty, you know, not 8 minutes. So, one we should have done patty already, and the next one should have complete, you know.
Well, We don't want to cool, man.
The two patties done already.
No, you think,
Mm-hmm.
I feel good, though, but.
Wouldn't I try to win?
You're hungry. You're hungry, Dad.
Mm-mm.
I know.
Yeah, that's very hot. Mm-mm.
Wow. Oh. Oh. Wow, yeah.
Next time we need water, brother. Mm-mm.
Alright, that's much challenge for do with no water, that's the rule. I spice it when it's hot, so double the trouble.
Where I'm gonna make her.
Look away. Let's show them oil.
What's it going on? Come cancel the last bite.
After like a long car. Steam.
You should have never hold you and tackle this.
See steam. I know one can select everything, so it's not a joke thing. Bring on the cheese now.
No cheese. Bring up cheese. No cheese, those patty and bun. Beef and bread. No, no, bun and meat. No cheese, brother. People are mean with the cheese.
Right on.
So.
Right now, I sweat. I don't know if I the spicy patty or the heat. Maybe a both. One thing about the patty challenge, you know. If you eat, we can finish it the most, but boy, I forget. Some belly as I feel it, because I feel buses already.
But don't hurry, brother. I'm gonna reach out
See
for
cheese,
you.
eh?
Right now, you're halfway through your patty or the cheese.
Show everything inside the cheese.
Halfway through the patty, see cheese there. Just one piece of cheese funny. How much time left? How much time left funny? 2 minutes.
2 minutes to hot here. I saw. Awesome.
Well, I'm done now. I bust now.
I bust it, can't bust. I mean, when the last time I can't win again. I'm a fucking leverageboss champion. Oh.
So you not catch me when I'm hungry, brother. If you catch me when I'm hungry. And yeah, can't half full on eat patty. Can't go do it.
No. I know. It's spicy and hot. Good thing about it, maybe some of them I get like a cooler.
Done now, yeah.
That's what them I done? Yeah, go on, man. Pull it. Oh, where's that man for boy done? Patty boy, you trick me. This is every day I'm want to cheat on the game. Come here and say, yo, you don't stand up say you but. What? I'm here winning, you know.
No, brother, I'm go cry, brother, I'm can't no more. I'm done. I'm forfeit. When I leverage boss, I said, well, me get on the go. You can sell it for a month. See me out, you've done the party. See I'm leaning. This name nigga it is.
You're full.
Man, you want cancel.
Well,
Time I done.
a time already. You may run out fast.
Brother. Yo, if me there water, but I'm gonna chop down all four now.
Time. That's a 8-minute leverage nation. So, we're not going too bad.
Let me see your party.
I mean, wait, man, let me see.
Yeah, man, you go,
Show them the screen on your party now. Me, obviously, me have the smaller portion, so me win again.
What I on?
Yes. I'm full right now. But me I finish it, but yeah, you don't know I say leverage boss, a champion. I don't know what I say. Only tell you how I don't want to say again. Because Clay come like I be a lose, him want to lose with the challenge them, you know. And me and the Bellias, and him a make me win. You know?
Tell me in the belly as neither. You mean? Tell me in the belly as neither.
But
me in the belly as me and the neither.
I don't know. So, when I tell you again, what I want to say, when you can comment in the previous video, you know, say the bun challenge and see. Maybe we'll look on the description in another video and see what we can do the full challenge again next. But yeah, this is the hot patty challenge from Juici Beef. So you know the leverage. Always remember to do the right thing. Like up the video, man. You know one thing. Until next time, Leverage Nation, we're out.
Like, share, subscribe, comment. That's a leverage.
Data leverage. Until next time.